Resistance to anti-cancer treatment is surely one of the most unmet clinical needs in oncology. Today, we all are aware that a tumor is not a single entity, but it's an ecosystem in which tumor cells intimately collaborate and cooperate with the surrounding cells. We all need to focus how to break this cooperation and this oncogenic interaction. The scientific community is going to pursue therapy or novel therapeutic approaches that are not only direct against tumor cells, but they also aim to break this cooperation with the surrounding cells. On October 20 and 21st, at the Regina Elena National Cancer Institute, a unique and outstanding faculty from the most advanced research cancer center worldwide will deal about resistance and future, how we can overcome resistance. The invited faculty will be complemented by the younger faculty of Regina Elena National Cancer Institute, who is going to present their data and share their findings with such an outstanding faculty.